Hey there! Welcome to this walkthrough of the webhooks feature in Test Observability. Now before we go any further, this isn't just any webhook feature. This is a full-fledged API workflow builder to help even the most advanced teams leverage Test Observability's AI-powered reporting and analytical capabilities in other tools. With precise triggers, customizable payloads, and powerful sequencing capabilities, you can strategically use Test Observability with your automation tests to build powerful workflows. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by clicking on Settings, then click on Webhooks. You can have multiple webhooks configured per project, so start by picking a name for easy identification. Now we can start setting up the triggers. Test Observability lets you set up precise triggers for multiple events. An event is something we want to happen before firing the webhook. You can choose what to automatically trigger a webhook for, from builds or tests finishing, or even for Test Observability's quality gate or alert features. With so many filtering options, you can easily target the right event. Let's start setting up the payload. The webhook payload is fully customizable, but to make things easy, Test Observability offers templates to send data to popular tools like Teams, Jira, or even ops monitoring tools like PagerDuty and OpsGenie. You have complete control over the API request's method, endpoint, headers, body, and parameters. This makes Test Observability compatible with any service. We weren't kidding when we said this was an API workflow builder. What's even handier is the ability to make any part of the webhook request's data dynamic. Using extensive variables, you can programmatically access data from your tests. The list spans from basic items like a test's metadata to the stack trace. You can check out our documentation for a full list of variables you can leverage. A power feature unique to Test Observability is the ability to automatically re-trigger a webhook when a failed build or test starts passing again. This lets you unlock so many use cases, including using your test automation suite for synthetic and ops monitoring. And there's more to where that came from. Test Observability even lets you access the data from the API response your original webhook received. Simply use the same handlebars syntax. With these triggers and data access, even the most advanced of automation workflows are within reach without the need to develop custom solutions. Let's see this in action. I've got a webhook set up to create an alert in my ops monitoring tool when a test fails. It's also set up to automatically re-trigger and resolve that alert once the test starts passing again. I've set up this playwright test to fail on purpose to demonstrate. The test has run and is displaying as failed in Test Observability. Let's head to OpsGenie, my ops monitoring tool. An alert has been triggered. Clicking on the alert, I can see the content has been populated with the placeholder variables in my payload body replaced by actual data from my test runs. Let's fix the test and run it again. This is to simulate a real-world scenario where your product or service might have briefly stopped working and started working again. Now, heading back to OpsGenie, I can see the alert has been resolved. We can see that Test Observability has posted the data as configured and even used the data from the original API response. This is just one of many use cases the new webhooks feature enables. Thank you for watching. We're excited to see what you'll build with Test Observability and webhooks.